All right, what's going on, everybody? Just want to give y'all an update on the project that we're working on out here in North Houston. So as you can see, we got some paint on the outside of the house. We chose to do black and white. It's the most aesthetically pleasing, and it's the most universal liked look. So we wouldn't want to do like a turquoise house, to make things pop. We feel like black and white just makes the most sense. So coming in here, we got the tile that's laid out, and we have a celebrity guest. Say hi, baby girl. Okay, got it. All right. And so coming into the bathroom, we got the tile in the shower laid out. All right, we got the floor tile and we got the wall tile as well. So things are looking really good. And I'll go ahead and work my way into the kitchen. Also, this tile is going to go into the closet as well. Usually we do carpet in every room, but we decided to do something a little different with this one. So we got tile out here and working our way to the dining area. We got our lights here. All right, and coming into the kitchen area, we got our countertops, and this looks really good. We chose to do a darker contrast this time because we have black fixtures everywhere. So went ahead and put this up. And coming out here, as you can see, the backsplash is up, so we're making a lot of progress. And we have our sink that was cut out, so it's a single fixture that's going to be installed here. And all of our covers are in the cabinet up here. So a lot of progress has been done. And as you can see out here as well, got some more paint. It's looking real good. All right, I'll go ahead and work my way up to the upstairs bathroom so you can see the progress that's been made there. All right, first, got to show you the laundry room. Got the towel up here, so that's looking really good. All right, and now we're working our way to the bathroom. We got the towel here. We already have the sink, but as you can see, the towel is looking really good. Working our way into these next rooms. Tile's looking great. Tile on the floor, and progress is being made in this bathroom as well. All right, and so pretty much that's what we have for you right now. If you have any questions, go ahead and put that in the comment section below. Other than that, I'll see you on the next video.